Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee with Net 226. Today I'm going to be going over Packet Tracer 4.1.4, which is ACL demonstration, and ACL is access control list. All right, some people use the term ACL. That's just short for access control list or ACL. All right, have my workspace up. I have 3 routers, 2 WAN connections, 4 local area networks. All right, PCs on each. One has a DNS server. All right, and we can look at our addressing table. Not really going to do any configurations on this. We're just looking at stuff. All right, so in this activity, you observe how an access control list, or ACL, can be used to prevent a ping from reaching hosts on remote networks. After removing the access control list from the configuration, the pings will be successful. All right. So verify local connectivity and test access control lists. Ping devices on the local network to verify connectivity. Ping PC1, or I'm sorry, from the command prompt of PC1, ping PC2. All right, so we're just going there to there. All right, so let's ping 192.168.10.11. All right, good replies there. From PC1, ping PC3. .10. All right, good replies there. Okay, so we can go from here to here, and then from here all the way to the router, back down to PC3. All right, so why were the pings successful? Well, that just tells us we have a physical connection to all. So if the physical layer is connected, we have layer 3 or layer 2 connection, because we go through a switch all the way over here, which is the data link layer, and then also the network layer, because we're being routed through router 1 over to PC3. All right, so pretty much just a good connection between the PCs on that side of the topology. All right, ping devices on remote networks to test ACL functionality. From command prompt on PC1, ping PC4. All right, so let's ping 192.168.30.12. All right, destination host is unreachable from there, and then also from the command prompt on PC1, ping the DNS server. So let's do that. 31.12. All right, and if you can notice right here, 192.168.10.1 is just telling us the destination host is unreachable. All right, this IP address 10.1 is actually the default gateway. All right, which is right here, gigabit 00 on router 1. All right. So it's getting here, and then it's telling us, okay, we're not getting replies, or it's not even reachable. Okay, so why did the pings fail? You can use simulation mode or view the router configs to investigate. I'm going to look at the router config, and notice we have OSPF running. Let's do enable show run. All right, let's look for something that's out of the ordinary. Everything there set up. All right, so we have an access list 11, which is set to deny 192.168.10.0. Which this is on 10.0, this is on 10.0, this is on 10.0. So to deny anything from there, and then this is a wildcard mask, so think of that as the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. All right, and then deny this, but everything else let through. All right, let's go down some more. And we see this, but let's see where it's being set up. Let's see. So access list 11 is this access group right there. And that's coming out of serial 000. So serial 000 is blocking data going out, is blocking everything coming from this network. So technically, this network would allow that, but not the 10.0 network. Okay, so why do the pings fail? Well, that should be the reason. Okay, so now we're going to remove the ACL and repeat the test. Use show commands to investigate ACL configuration, which I just did that. That's why the simulator side, the simulation, I don't really like using that. I just like looking at the configurations. All right. So navigate to R1 CLI, which I'm already there. Use the show run and show access list commands. Let's do the show access lists. All right. So that shows our access list 11. All right. And there's our output. Well, that's showing our output. It's right here. If you know the ACL number or name, you can filter the show output further. However, R1 only has one ACL, therefore the show access list command will suffice. All right. The first line of the ACL blocks any packets that originate from this network, which we already said that, which includes the ICMP echoes ping requests. The second line of the ACL allows all other IP traffic from any source to traverse the router. For an ACL to impact router operation, it must be applied to an interface in a specific direction. In this scenario, the ACL is used to filter traffic exiting an interface. Therefore, all traffic leaving the specified interface of R1 will be inspected against ACL 11. Although you can view IP information with the show IP interface command, it will be more efficient in some situations to simply use the show run command to obtain a complete list of interfaces that the ACL may be applied to and a list of ACLs that are configured. Use the following command. So let's go back in here, show run, pipe in there, include interface. So that's pretty cool. It shows this interface doesn't have any. This interface has access group 11 set up as out. And then interface VLAN 1. Well, no. None on that. And then deny any from there. Okay. The second pipe symbol creates an OR condition that matches interface OR access. It is important that no spaces are included in the OR condition. Use one or more of these commands to find information about the ACL, to which interface and in what direction is the ACL applied. Well, we can see that right there. That's the interface, and it's the out direction. So it's exfilling that, not infilling it. All right. So remove access list 11 from the configuration. You can remove ACLs from the configuration by issuing the no access list, number of the access list command. The no access list command, when used without arguments, deletes all ACLs configured on the router. The no access list number of the ACL command removes only the specific ACL. Removing the ACL from a router does not remove the ACL from the interface. The command that applies the ACL to the interface must be removed separately. Alright, so under the serial 000 interface, remove access list 11. Alright, so let's do control rconfig t. All right, let's do interface serial 0, whoops, 0, 0. Man, if I can type, that'd be good. All right, interface, no IP access, group 11 out. All right. In the global config mode, remove the ACL by entering the following command. No access list 11. Well, hang on a second. No, I still need to do it here, though. Yeah, make sure you're not in the... I was in the interface config. All right, now it should be out of it. Now let's verify. We can ping from PC1. What does it say? PC... The DNS server and PC4. So let's do DNS server first. Right here. Let's do an up arrow, 31.12. And we'll have to give it a second. The first packet might drop. All right, now we got it. All right, that's good to the DNS server and PC4 30.12. And same thing, first packet's going to drop. All right, so we're good. So remove the ACL. We're good to go. Let's see. And that was it. And now we can go here and verify also that ACL is not there. Let's do a do show run. All right. It was on this interface, right? All right. So that's been removed. And then there's no access control lists listed for the router either. All right. So that's it. Basically, just wants to show you an overview of what ACLs do. I'll be supplying a Word document that has a place where you can put the answer to that one, the answer to that one, and the answer to this one. I believe that's all the questions. 1, 2, 3. All right, and that's it. Pretty quick video. We've got, or you guys have 6 packet tracers for this week, so get to them. All right, thanks for watching.